break it down slowly. You play it together. So we have do, this is so, and this is mi. So we have do, so, mi together as your do chord. Then you move it to your re structure. You tune forward and you play re. This is re. This is do and fa. So you play it together. Move one tone again, and this is mi. And this is re. And this is so. Play it together. Then you go semitone. This time you change the structure again. So look at it. This is fa. This is do. This is la. So we have fa, do, la. Look at where I'm striking it. Your thumb. You plug. Your thumb. You plug. Then la. These 3 fingers. Then we move one tone forward. Then we have, this is so, this is re, and we have ti. So together it's like this. This is la, this is so, and this is do. Okay, we're on the key of G. So this is la, this is so, and this is do. So together we have, so this is ti, this is la, and this is re. And finally, we're back to our do structure. So everything is like this. You can even create an exercise out of it. So let's use this to create an exercise. Let's go. If you have enjoyed this lesson, please don't forget to click the follow button or the subscribe button and share this video. God bless you. I will see you again for more. Thank you.